Hello students, in this video we will solve the questions related to enlargement. Here in the first question, there are two triangles, right? So what we need to find out here, we need to find out the length of the enlargement from of expression y there and y z, right? So first of all, as we know that I already explained to you that the unknown one, right? Always comes the first unknown one. So unknown one is x dash and y dash here, right? So here, I'm solving it here. So in this question, x dash and y dash is going to be your unknown. That's what we need to find out the length. The first one, x dash and y dash, right? Over. Means in the denominator, you need to write down the corresponding angle, right? So x and y, going to the corresponding of this one is x and y, right? Okay, now equals to the second part here in the second ratio here, that it's the first part, it belongs to the enlargement one. So the corresponding of x dash and y dash is, as you can see in the diagram, x dash and y dash. So this one is x dash and y dash, right? The parallel to that one is this one, right? Y dash and z dash over, and corresponding of y dash and z dash is yz, right? Okay. Now the both of them, the factors, scale factor is given to you, which is 1.5. Right? Okay. Now what we need to do, this part is equals to 1.5 and even this one is also 1.5, right? So both are equal to 1.5 to each other. Now here you need to substitute the value. So x dash and y dash, there is the unknown. So this will remain as it is. And what is the value of xy given to you? Here it's 5 centimeter, right? Equals to 1.5, one part done. Okay, and the second one is y dash and z dash. Y dash and z dash. That is y dash and z dash, the value here. Check if the diagram is giving you 12 centimeter, right? So yz we need to find out. So yz will remain as it is, and then the scale factor is given to you, which is 1.5. Right? When you solve this question, students, so you will get the answer, right? So here, what we need to do, fractions equals fractions is always cross multiply. So x dash and y dash, and then 1.5 and 5 multiply them, right? And you will get the answer for the x dash and y dash. And then here, what we need to do here, instead of multiplication, we need to do divide. So here again cross multiply. So yz and 1.5, they both are multiplying, right? So beside multiply, so how to find out yz? It's 12, right? It's going to be like 1.5 yz, right? I'm doing it directly. So 12 divided by 1.5. Like multiply by 10 on both the sides and simplify, and then divide, you will get the answer here. Okay, you need to find out the answer by yourself, right? Okay, now the next question here. Here you need to multiply, right? But here you need to divide. Okay, now the next question here. A photograph shows Raju's height is 180 centimeter tall and standing in front of his terrace house. In the photograph, the height of the Raju is 9 centimeter and that of his house is 22.5 centimeter. What we need to do, we need to find out the actual height of the house. And then in the end, we need to get the answer in meters because all the measurements are given to you in centimeters. So here, students, the scale factor is not given to you. There are many ways to solve this question here. Okay, so the way that I explained the first one, I'm solving according to that. So here we need to find out the actual height of the house, right? So here I'm making a formula, whatever unknown, it will come first. The actual height, right? Right? Now over actual height, over what we need to write down. In the previous question, we wrote the corresponding one, right? So here actual height of house. We are talking about actual height of house. So here, so the actual height is about house, right? So here also, the denominator also the value of the house, which is given to you 22.5 centimeter, right? Now equals to, we are talking about here the actual height, right? Now the other ratio, the actual height is for the Raju is 180 centimeter over the photograph is like 9 centimeters. Height in the photograph is 9 centimeter. Okay. Now what we need to do here, the 4 cross multiplies and see that the which part is simplifying. So second part is simplifying. So 180, right? 180 divided by 9. So 180 divided by 9 gives you what? 20, right? So here we'll simplify 9 ones are 9 and 9 twenties are 80, right? So the actual height of the house is so easy. It's 22.5 times 20. So what you will get, let me calculate this, 22.5 times 20. Okay, it gives you 450, right? So 450 is basically centimeter, but you need answer in meters. So when you convert this centimeter into meters, centimeter is the smallest unit, and when you go up, right? So what we need to do, we need to divide. Means like if it's meter here and centimeter here, so we are going to convert centimeter into meter. We are going up, so we need to divide. And you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 450 divided by 100. So here the decimal is in the end. We need to move back 2 digits back because there are 2 zeros. So 4.5 meter is the answer. Okay. I hope the people understood these two questions. Thank you for watching.